Oppo recently announced the launch of A78, a mid-range phone that offers 5G connectivity, and it has 6.56-inch LCD display with a maximum refresh rate of 90 Hz. The Oppo A78 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset. It has a 5000 mAh battery that supports 33-watt fast charging, with Oppo claiming a full charge in 60 minutes. The Oppo A78 has a rear dual-camera setup that comprises a 50-megapixels primary camera backed by a 2-megapixels depth sensor, whereas the front of the phone houses an 8-megapixels shooter. The Oppo A78 5G also comes with dual stereo speakers, and it's more enduring durability and quality, and it has side fingerprint unlock. Storage comes with 8GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage. The phone has a microSD card slot with support for up to 1TB of memory as well, and Oppo will let users increase the RAM virtually by another 8GB. Here below the full specifications of Oppo A78 5G will be available in India from January 18, 2023, at retail outlets, Oppo eStore, and Amazon for 18,999 rupees.